and you take another 3 magnets and you make it like that. Now you're gonna reach over here, get 1 magnet from the end, and place it in that little hole. Okay. Now you're gonna keep on wrapping it around and around and around. And then see, you're just gonna get this like hexagon-like shape, and you can make it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger if you want. I mean, it's up to you guys. I'm not like forcing you or something. So I'm just gonna make the complete amount of magnets. I mean, all the magnets if I could, and make the hexagon. So I have 1 magnet remaining, and that's not a hexagon over there. It's because first of all, it does have 6 sides, but over here it's unequal. So just gonna take that to those 2. Just give me a sec. I just need to do a little something. So, but usually it should be in a hexagon shape, but yeah, it's sort of like a hexagon, I guess, right? Yeah, sort of. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing, and the next thing is actually pretty interesting, honestly. This is actually really cool. I was actually just playing with my magnets one day and actually found this thing. I was just playing with my magnets, and I wondered what happens if you take 1 little hexagon and you make it into all of these. You take all of these and you make them into hexagons, put them on top. What could you make? I was really curious. So let's find out. So as I said, take 3 magnets, take the last one from the end, and then put it through the hole. Okay, so now now once you have it, you're gonna count. So 1 magnet, 2 magnets, 3 magnet, 4 magnet, 5 magnet, and 6th magnet. So now once you have that, you're just gonna clip that over. Then you're gonna do the same exact thing to the other side. So you're gonna fold it in half, take 3, fold it in half, then take a magnet from here, put it inside the hole, get used to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th time you take it away, then you do it again. Oh yeah, here's a shortcut, by the way. Just take 4 magnets over here and then fold it on where it's at, that 4 and 4. Now just pull out one of the magnets from the 4x4 over here and then place it onto the end. Now you have 3 magnets and you have this 1 remaining. So with that 1 remaining, you're just gonna pull it off, and then over here, see how it's that, like that 6-hole like thing. Now just take that, put that in the middle. You can come down a little if you want. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I'm actually gonna go a little quicker. So yeah. Just put the camera here. Okay. So I got that done, and I'm actually gonna tell you a little about the accelerated game race. So basically, me and Rohit are gonna make what do you call it again? A YouTube channel, another one called the Accelerated Gamers, and it's actually you guys are going to help us out by getting, what do you call it again? You guys should just like leave a comment letting us know what game we should play next or stuff like that. And we're probably going to go on like every Saturday or something. But the thing is, we don't know exactly if we could because we're middle schoolers this year. So, you know, we got like homework and that shitty stuff. So yeah, as you can see, I'm almost done with my hexagon. But yeah, I hope you just support Accelerated Gamers. We really hope we have you guys have the best time watching our new channel. what do you call it again? So yeah, I guess that's what I need to say. And now, give me a second. I'm almost done. You know, so you should be getting the hang of this by now. I'm just saying. 4, 5, 6. Put that there. So put that there. Okay, and one more time. Okay, apparently I don't have 216 magnets. I'll leave a link in the description. Should I leave a link? If I have time, I could do. So, if I have time, I'll add the link in the description, below. I'll add the link in the description below for where you could get these magnets. These are pretty cool. But I don't have, 216. I used to, but then I lost it. So, yeah. Without further ado, oh god, let's connect these magnets. So, what you could do is you could do this, where you take this and you connect it like this. You know, just like that. Whoa, not like that, but like that. Woohoo! No, I failed. And then just keep on doing that. Oh no! Wait, what?
That was pretty savage.
Savage. I don't pick it up. Now, you take one, you fold it down, and then you take the other and you fold it. Just keep on doing it like that. And then you should end up with this. Woo-hoo! If you got it, congratulations. Great job at making it. And what you could do with these are some awesome things over here. So, basically, you could divide these up, and where is it? Shit, I forgot. So just give me a second. I really forgot one thing. Rohit will show you this. You know, show you a little of it. Yeah.
Get some nice shots of it.
Yeah, get some nice shots of it. Hey.
Where is it? Okay, there's it over there. Boom.
Hey, yo guys, I'm back, and apparently I didn't find my card for these magnet cutting, so I just got this. It's a plastic sleeve. I know, I'm pretty dumb here. So, you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this for the fun of it. I'm kidding now. So, now, some pretty cool things you can do with these are make it even. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have 9. 9's not even. So I'm gonna cut that, and I'm gonna push to the side. Okay. So now I have 8. Now you'd be wondering, so why do you make it even? This. So now count half that. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now divide that, and then take those two, stick them like, whoa, wait, what the fudge? Did I count properly? Oh, yeah, that was weird. It's supposed to work. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bro, I miscounted. What the fuck? Shit. Okay. So then what you could do is then divide. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now what you can do is you can divide it in half, but apparently we can't because there's this extra one. So we just push that like that. Put it. Now divide it in half. Woo-hoo! And then now take this, and you see over here, zoom back, zoom in. See over here how It looks like this, by the way. And then over here, there's this little thing. So just go in. Whoa, 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 whoa. And then, whoa, whoa, whoa. Nope. Okay, go. So just go in and cut it. Like that. Whoa.
Pretty lit.
Bro, I'm failing. What the frick? It's pretty lit. No. I'm failing. Ah, shit. Okay, got it off. Okay, got it off. Okay. Shit, so I have to do this again. Wait, no I don't, cause... Oh shit, yes I do. Why am I cussing so much?
Oh.
I have like cussing disorder. Kidding. Okay, so basically getting back to the point where, you know what, screw this. So basically where were we? Oh yeah, so just give me a second. If anything like this happens, just take this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Put this there. I just did it again. No. This is so annoying. So I'm just gonna get it to the original spot now. Okay, so now divide this in half, and then wait, what was it again? That thing. Oh yeah, now I remember. So now once you do that, divide that in half. Now you get this, right? So now once you have this, open it like that. And then you see how there's a missing spot over here? When you place it, if you have 216 magnets, what the fuck? I said magnets, did you hear me?
Yeah.
Magnets. Okay, so if you have 216 magnets, you should be making like another pair, and it should be like this. But if you don't, then just follow me. Now cut this in half. Like that. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so now take one of these hexagons. Whoa. Dismantle on that. And then take it and then connect it, and it should look like that. It looks pretty cool, right? Right? Yeah, there you go. So that's the thing I was showing you. Now, if you don't want that, just fold it in half. See, it does that thing. Hey. That there, a. So yeah, and to get it back, just do this. Wait, no. Cut again. Put that like that. Then take this, place this on. Then this. Just take that. Now cut that there. Bam! And there you go. And wait, and then just split this. Oh yeah, and this really makes like a good fidget tool for people. Just watch. If you're really good at doing this and you do it so much, oh god, no, never mind. You could do it one-handed, like, I don't know. It's just like you can do it one-handed, but usually you can fidget it with it like this. It's like a long-lasting thing. You can like turn it and stuff. And if you get like stressed, I guess you could do this. This is for like fidgety people. I know. And then you could do this. I'm not really a fidget person. I'm just showing you like that. And yeah, that's it, I guess. And then I'm gonna put this back. Just give me a second. Oh god. Nope. No. Oh, bro, I'm failing. Okay, good. Yay, and that's it, guys. Whoa. Yeah, that's it. And that's it for today's video. Yeah, well, that was really cool. Wait, I want to do that again. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. I'm gonna quickly just show how Rohit looks like. Just yo, what's up? A dab. No, man. Okay. Okay, so yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Actually, like 3 minutes for the next video. But see you next time. Bye.